Welcome to this video, and congratulations to you that you have completed your process till now. You have created your own Facebook page, and then you have created your own content. And then our last previous video, you learned how to create or how to build our community in particular Facebook group. Okay, so in this video, we will learn how we can run ads in our business. Okay, so let's learn and let me share my screen. In this screen, I will reveal to you that how we can create our first ad. Okay, so this is my dashboard. Okay, I am in Meta Business Suite. Okay, Meta Business Suite is our dashboard, right? In previous video, I already shown you. Okay, so this is Meta Business Suite, and when we want to run our ads, so we need to go all tools, and when we click all tools, there is a tools open in this window. So you need to click yes. This is ads manager. When we click ads manager, there is a dashboard will open particular for ads. Okay, yes. So here you can see in this dashboard, whenever we are going to create any ads, so first we need to go to our ads manager dashboard, and then we can create our campaigns, our ad sets, and our ads. Okay, so first, this is a hierarchy in Facebook ads. First, we need to create campaign. Okay, there will be a top. Then under that campaign, we will create our ad sets. Ad sets, that means different type of audience. What type of audience we are going to target them. Okay, and third step will be a ads. Different ads, and there is ads different. That means sometimes we run with different headlines, and sometimes we run directly images, sometimes we run ads using our videos. So different ideas we need to create, and then we can run. And then after, we need to see, we need to analyze, we need to go deep insights which ad is created full good impact. Okay, and what is the cost per acquisition. Okay, cost per leads we are getting from this advertisement. Whichever cost goes high, we need to immediately stop that advertisement because it is not a viable for us. And which ads is given us a good ROI, so we need to continue that ad, and we need to put extra budget particular for that ad. Okay, that's how advertisement is working, right? So this is campaigns, this is ad sets, and this is ads. We need to first create campaign, then under that campaign we will create our ad sets. Ad sets, that means target audience, and that under that target audience we will create our ads. It will be a audio ads or might be a video ads. Okay, so let's say we are going to create our campaigns. So what is the idea of our campaign? What is the objective of our campaign? We want more awareness, particular our brand. We want more traffic. Traffic, that means we want traffic towards our landing page or website. Okay. Engagement. We want more engagement, particular under this page, under this post. Okay. Leads. If we want leads, customers, data, username, not a username, his name, their name, and email address. If you want to app download from your target audience, so you can click this objective. And if you want more sales, so you can click this sales. Okay, let's say we are going to create our awareness, particular we are in our brand building campaign. Okay, so when we click awareness, so then after there will be a option will open here. This is the hierarchy. First, we have created our awareness campaign, then new awareness ad set, and then new awareness ads. This is the hierarchy. Okay, and you need to select which type of categories we are in. We are in credit card related company, or we are giving employees job offers, professional certificates programs. Okay, housing, we are giving home home loan or mortgage loan, whatever, or we are in social issues, politicals, type of run ad. Let's say we are clicking this employment, professional certification programs, or related opportunities. Okay, so when we click this employment, so there is a target countries, so we are going to target India. Okay, so see, this is the idea. And auction type of buying. Okay, awareness, this is our objective for that. And here is that advantage campaign budget. If we want enable this, so we can see our daily budget here. Okay, if we want to change this daily budget, so we can change. Okay, but we will keep as it is, right? Then we will go to next. When we click next, so there will be a new awareness ad set. Now we are in ad set. That means we need to create our target audience. Okay, so this is our Facebook page, which we are going to run our ads. Okay, and schedule, what is the schedule? Jan 28th and 12:31 the ad will start. Okay, if we get approval from the Facebook. Okay, if we want to add our end date, so we can also put our end date here. If we want to run our ad for particular 31st of Jan, so we can click this date. Okay, and here we can select our custom audience. Custom audience is the key to be successful in Facebook advertisement. Okay, you need to create your target audience, or you can create your custom audience as well. Okay, I will not go deep because this is the very large subject. Okay, you can select location. If you want to target particular city, so let's say we want to target Mumbai, so you can select Mumbai. Okay, and Mumbai, how many kilometers we need? If we want more than 25, if we want to reduce, and also you need to see how many estimate audience size. You can see 14 million. 14 million. Okay, 14 million to 17 million, this is our audience size. Okay, if you want, see Mira, Bhayandar, also if we want to include in this head, so we need to up from 70 to 30. Let's say we are going to set our target range 30, so our target audience will go high, almost 16 million to 19 million. Okay, and what will be the our target audience age group? Let's see, we are not going to target age of 18. We are going to target our audience between 25 to, let's say, 55. This is our target audience group, and you can see here we already reduced our custom target audience estimate audience 10 million to 12 million only. And men and women. Okay, we need to also set here, we are going to target men or women. Okay, we will keep all here. You can also placement here, but we will keep as it is, advantage plus placement recommend. Okay, we will not change. And this is our ad set. We have completed our ad set. Now we will create our ad. Ad is, we need to first okay, this is our Instagram account. Let's see my Instagram account. I select here. Okay, then we need to create ad setup. So in ad setup, what type of ad we are going to show off to the people? So use existing post. Okay, okay, if we are not going to existing post, so we need to create ad. Okay, let's say we are using our existing post, and here there is option select post. When we select post, so you can see different post available. So let's say we are going to select this ad, Facebook page creation. This is our ad. That was the post which we are going to run our ads. Okay, so you can see different platforms and different looks. This is WhatsApp advertisement. Okay, you know WhatsApp is also now included in Facebook owns WhatsApp, Facebook owns Instagram. Okay, so you can see different, this is a Facebook reels, this is Instagram stories, this is Facebook stories, and this is Instagram reels. Okay, this four of this platform we can run our ads particular on that platform. Okay, this is in stream videos, this is reels, and this is search results. Okay, and also this is Facebook feed in people's account. Okay, this is Instagram feed, and this is marketplace. Okay, and this is video feeds, and this is Instagram explore. Okay, now we have created our ads. So now we want publish. Okay, if all are well, so we need to click publish button, so our ad goes to Facebook for approval. If we get approval from the Facebook, then our ad will start. Okay, so this was the idea how you can create your ad. But first you need to understand that there is a three hierarchy. First we need to create campaign, then we need to create our target audience, that means ad sets, and then we need to create our ad. Okay, and most of the time people, what they do, who is a good marketeer, so what is the mentality of that marketeer actually create one campaign, then under that campaign they create different ad sets, means they they have a different target audience. Okay, they will run their ad sets for, suppose, Maharashtra, and different ad sets for Karnataka, different ad sets for Kerala, different ad sets for Rajasthan, different ad sets for Delhi. So this is the idea, and campaign is only one, but ad sets particular target audience is different. Okay, and every ad sets there is a different ads. If we want to target Maharashtra, so in Maharashtra we can create our advertisement in language of English, Hindi, or Marathi as well. But in Gujarat we can target Gujarati language. Okay, in Kerala or in Karnataka or Rajasthan or Delhi, we can create different ad sets with different language as well. So we can get a good grab attention, particular our advertisement. So this is how advertisement is working, and most of the marketeer, they are doing deep research about target audience, then they create different ad sets and advertisement. So guys, I hope you like this video, how we can create our advertisement in Facebook. Okay, see you on next video.